Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmud International School, Nakul. How are you, students? Hope you are well. As you know, students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 8, Nikki's Dream. What is the name of the lesson? Nikki's Dream. Learn the heading N-I-K-K, N-I-K-K, why Nikki? N-I-K-K, why Nikki? Apostrophe and S. Nikki's. DREAM, dream. Nikki's dream. Okay. Nikki, who is Nikki? Nikki is the name of a boy. Dream means ख्वाब. Okay. Nikki's dream. So I hope you would read this lesson up to lunch. Yes. Did you read up to lunch? Very good. Very good. The students who read this lesson up to lunch. Now today we will read ahead of it. Okay. First I will read, then you have to repeat after me. Okay. Without spelling. See, the holidays had started. Nikki was bored. Yes, are you repeating? Repeat after me, okay? The holidays had started. Nikki was bored. I don't have school. He thought. I have nothing to do. I would like a pair of skates. Then I can go skating with my friends. Yes, I repeating. Repeat after me, okay? Next page. He asked his mother, Mom, will you buy me a pair of skates? Maybe next month. Son, she said, the night, that night, that night, he had a dream. In his dream, he heard. Heard. Heard is the second form of hear, means suna. He heard someone say, dig in your garden. In the corner next to the jasmine tree, next to the jasmine plant, you will find something. He woke up. Maybe I will find a pair of skates. Maybe I will find a pair of skates. He thought happily. He went out into the garden. After breakfast, he took a spade and started to dig. He dug and and soon there was a big hole in the ground and a big pile, P-I-L-E, pile, big pile means dher, okay, of mud. Near it, he found rusted nails and old flower pot. He found stones and broken plate. He dug all day with just a break for lunch. Okay, now read with spelling. Okay, first I will read, then you have to repeat after me. Yes, are you repeating? Very good. Repeat after. Okay. But there were were, not where. Okay, but there were no skates, but there were no skates. Full stop. He was Tired, tired. He was tired. And very, sad. He was tired and very sad. Okay. Just, just. The, and then, just then. He, just then he. Heard, understand? Heard. Okay. Just then he heard, not heard. Okay. He heard. Heard his father. Just then he heard his father. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me, okay? And try to learn how to read. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Just then he heard his father came, C-A-M-E, came, H-O-M-E, home, F-R-O-M, from. His father came home from work. Full stop. He came, C-A-M-E, came. So second form of come. He came out. He came out to the garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Understand? Garden. He came out to the garden. T-O-2. L-O-O-K. Look. To look for him. Next paragraph. What are you doing? What are you, D-O-I-N-G, doing? What are you doing? Nicky, question mark. He, A-S-K-E-D, asked. He asked, mean who asked? Nicky's father asked, okay? He saw, S-A-W, saw, the D-E-E-P, deep. He saw the deep hole, H-O-L-E, hole, H-O-L-E, understand? Hole. T-H-A-T, that. He saw the deep hole that he, H-A-D, had. He had dug, D-U-G, dug. Dug means khoda, okay? So second form of dig. That he had dug. N-I-K-K-Y, Nicky, comma, T-H-A-T-S, T-H-A-T, apostrophe, and S, that's. That means, yes, that means, that is, okay, Nicky, that's, T-H-A-T, that, I-S, is, okay, that is, that's, it's a short form of that is. Nicky, that's great, mean that is great, exclamation mark, okay, it is exclamation mark, okay, this is, that's great, G-R-E-A-T, great. I can, P-L-A-N-T, plant. I can plant a mango tree just there, comma, in the H-O-L-E, hole, in the hole. Okay, next line. See, I was bored, B-O-R-E-D, bored. I was bored, P-A-P-A, papa. I was bored, papa. S-A-I-D, sad, N-I-K-K-L, N-I-K-K-Y, Nicky, sad Nicky. I was bored, papa. Sad Nicky. Full stop. I-W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. I wanted to do S-O-M, some T-H-I-N-G, thing. I wanted to do something. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me, okay? And try to learn how to read, okay? I wanted to do something. He did not. He didn't. It's a short form of did not, okay? Did not. He didn't. It's a short form of did not. He didn't want. He did not want to tell, T-E-L-L, tell him about, A-B-O-U-T, about. He did not want to tell him about the dream. M-A-Y, may, B-E-B, maybe. The holidays, H-O-L-I, Holly, D-A-Y-S, days. Understand? Holidays. Maybe the holidays won't, W-O-N, F-N-T, won't. Won't means will not. Okay, it's the short form of will not. W-I-L-L, will, N-O-T, not, will not. Won't, won't means will not. Okay. Maybe the holidays will not be so, B-O-R-I-N-G, boring. After, A-L-L, all. Okay. Means he will do tree plantation. Okay. He thought, H-E, T-H-O-G-H-T, thought, T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. He thought, H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. He thought happily. I can help Papa. I can help Papa plant the mango seed. And L-O-O-K, look, A-F-T-E-R, after, and look after it. T-H-A-T apostrophe and double L, that will. Okay, it's a short form of that will. That will be F-U-N, fun. That will be fun. Okay, yes, got it. So dear students, you have to read this whole lesson 3 times. Okay, one time you have to read this lesson with spelling, and second and third time you have to read this lesson without spelling. Okay, got it. And underline the difficult words. Okay, got it. Dear parents, please help your word to understand and read the lesson. Okay, in next video we will understand what is given in this lesson. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.